After the 1950s, the world changed faster than ever before, and Dean Cornwell was the first to feel it. Magazines that once waited for his illustrations now chose photographs. Faster, cheaper, more realistic. Illustration, the art of patience, gradually faded into the background. But Cornwell did not disappear. He returned to where it all began, to monumental painting. During this period, he worked on large murals for universities, courts, and government buildings. His figures become even larger. His gestures even more precise. His compositions almost architectural. These are not just paintings. They are visual manifestos. Cornwell paints the history of the United States as if he knows that soon it will be told differently. He depicts leaders, builders, thinkers, not perfect ones, but ones who are strong in their choices. And here's what's important. Cornwell never tries to be trendy. He doesn't imitate new styles. He does not simplify form. He does not chase trends. He remains Cornwell. Until the end of his life, he continues to teach, passing on his approach to a new generation of artists. Among his students are those who will later shape American illustration in the second half of the 20th century. Cornwell continued to work until his health deteriorated. On December 3, 1960, Cornwell experienced severe abdominal pain and was hospitalized at Roosevelt Hospital in New York for surgery, but died of heart disease on December 4, 1960. No scandals, no sensational headlines. Just as he had lived in his last years quietly. He was 68 years old, and it seems that this is where the story ends. But in fact, it does not. Because every time we see a courageous hero, a strong woman, a detailed scene from American life, drawn with respect and dignity, we are looking through the prism that Cornwell once created. He didn't just illustrate America. He taught it to look the way it wanted to see itself. And that's why he's called the Dean of Illustrators.